black car blue. On that
What is this, William?
the
Hotwheels Stunts and Splash car wash, is it?
yeah.
What are you gonna do today?
We'll check the color.
What are you gonna show us?
Right over hot water. I need more hot water.
So you will need to have a hot water and a cold water. You have to be very careful, yeah? So the red one is for
Warm water.
hot water.
No, warm water.
Oh, warm water, okay. And this is,
Cold water.
you put in the color blue, yeah?
Blue is my favorite.
Okay. Blue is my favorite color too.
And also pink.
Yeah.
What's the tip of here?
Jangan apa-apa. I'll get it. And then, you wanna show us?
Yeah.
You wanna show us the car first before you change it? What is this color?
Brown.
Oh, okay.
When this one, this, and then we change it to white.
This is the color reveal car.
It's good change color still back, but I need more hot water.
So this is for the cold water.
And this one is for the hot warm water.
Okay, and you need to have a very, very cold water to change the color. Okay?
And it's so cold.
Alright, you wanna do it again?
Yeah. Change the color. Come by the car.
Whoa. That's really cool. Can you wipe it and then
Go to accelerator.
put the cold water on?
Cold water, why?
So you can change color and then you wipe it. Whoa, it becomes black. Go up, wipe it. Oh, you can go up and up and up. And what are you gonna do? Wipe it. And then after that, oh, that's really cool. And then,
And head dryer. Head dryer. I need to press this down and then the other color can change.
no, not yet. You have to go back first, right?
Okay.
You have to, yeah. That's really cool. And then,
And the accelerator.
what do? You press it. Something. Whoa. Did you see that? That's really cool. Let's do the other car. Oh, this one is much bigger car.
Ini gak bisa to press down.
Oh yeah. You wanna change the color or what? Whoa! What is that? That's become like
Any more?
brown. Is it brown?
Yeah.
And more water?
Yeah. Ah, white color. Ay! Super.
Okay, that's done.
Oh.
I have to do this outside. Okay. Whoa! It's changed. Go up and wipe it.
Ini gak bisa. Gak bisa press this and then we go.
Not yet. dry and white.
Yeah.
And then
Put it down.
again.
No. Because I cannot press this.
Go up again.
Because I cannot press.
Iya, go up, di dry, di polish dulu, ntar bisa.
I show you.
Polish dulu. Oh, so it's stuck. Okay, so it has to be a smaller car.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. It's ready to go. Let's go out first. Can you polish it first?
And you press this.
Yeah. Whoa! What about the dragon car, you know?
The dragon car.
Yeah, it's really cool. So that color is orange.
Yeah.
Whoa, it changed to white. Whoa!
Hey.
So we have to wipe it again, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
That's good hair to go up. Oh. No fear.
And then let's do the spin. Let's do the spin.
What?
Can you spin?
What is the guys?
Whoa!
How about this?
That's really cool.
How about this one? I want to change this color
Color to what?
to
Oh, yeah. It's half white and half brown, half black. Itu kan hot water. This one's cold water.
Oh. And you need to change your color.
Whoa!
And you need to wipe it.
Yeah.
Go up, 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 go up. Ding. This is number 2. Mama, this is number 2. Deep, go to number
Level 3. Wait. Whoa!
Crash.
It crashed.
Hey, get
Good
out.
job.
I get crashing. Oh, sorry. That's sorry.
Yeah. It's okay. It's just a game. But we have to be careful.
Make a picture.
Oh yeah, you can put the tray out away, yeah?
And do it.
You can only do this when you're outside.
Yeah.
At home, you can't do it. Going to create a mess.
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna say bye-bye?
I don't know.
No, you still wanna do it?
Yeah. More forward.
dragon car again.
Yeah.
Okay. And this time is hot water and change to
Orange.
orange.
Also the sun the stitch. It's also the sun orange. Okay. Hey. Blur.
That's the big car. It's a pickup truck.
Yeah, because
Big.
yes. Hey.
Whoa.
Maybe more. And more.
Need more water. Alright, we'll be back.
Oh, đây.
Fine. Okay, it's ready.
Wait. Why no more car?
It's enough.
You can exchange car.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to try?
When we get this
What is that color?
orange and you can exchange car. Why?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
And this one can be also this kind of water. Okay.
Whoa, that's really cool.
Wait, I need more hot water for this. It's too black.
It's finished.
Yeah.
Okay, it's done then.
Oh, I need more hot water. I need more water.
Oh, yeah?
I need to exchange card right. And then we put it right here. Okay.
Oh, that's really cool. Good job.